Did you know that the Oppo Find X9 Pro packs a 50MP main camera that can capture stunning images even in low light? It's like having a professional photographer right in your pocket. The Oppo Find X9 Pro has been making waves in the smartphone market, and for good reason. This device has built a reputation for delivering top-notch performance, sleek design, and innovative features. As a result, it's become a significant player in the world of smartphones. So, what makes it so special? Oppo, as a manufacturer, has been around for a while, having made its mark in the smartphone industry with a range of impressive devices. The company has a history of pushing boundaries and experimenting with new technologies. Previous models, such as the Oppo Find X series, have set the stage for the X9 Pro, showcasing the brand's commitment to innovation and quality. The Oppo Find X series has always been about delivering high-end devices with cutting-edge features. The X9 Pro is no exception. With its powerful processor, advanced camera system, and stunning display, it's clear that Oppo has been working tirelessly to create a device that can compete with the best of them. The Oppo Find X9 Pro boasts some impressive specs, including a 50MP main camera, a long-lasting battery, and a powerful processor. Its display is also noteworthy, featuring cutting-edge technology that makes for a seamless viewing experience. Let's dive deeper into these features. The camera system, for instance, includes a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 32MP front camera. This setup allows for stunning image quality, with features like optical zoom, portrait mode, and advanced low-light performance. The battery life is also remarkable, with a large 4,500 mAh battery that supports fast charging. This means you can enjoy extended periods of use without needing to recharge. The processor, a high-performance chip, provides smooth performance, making it ideal for demanding tasks like gaming and video editing. Additionally, the display features a high refresh rate, making animations and scrolling look incredibly smooth. One of the standout features of the Oppo Find X9 Pro is its performance. The device handles demanding tasks with ease, thanks to its powerful processor and ample RAM. The camera quality is also exceptional, with crisp and detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. However, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. For instance, the device's battery life, while generally good, can suffer if you use it extensively. Some users might also find the phone's size and weight a bit unwieldy. When compared to similar flagship models from competitors, the Oppo Find X9 Pro holds its own. It offers a unique blend of performance, camera quality, and display technology that sets it apart from the competition. However, some might prefer other devices that offer slightly different features or design aesthetics. I've had the chance to use the Oppo Find X9 Pro, and I have to say, it's been an impressive experience. The device's camera system has been a highlight, allowing me to capture stunning images and videos. The performance has also been smooth, making it a joy to use. The Oppo Find X9 Pro scores high on performance and camera quality, but like any device, it's not perfect. Some users might find the battery life a bit short, or the design not entirely to their taste. Overall, though, it's a solid choice for those seeking a high-end smartphone. In my opinion, the Oppo Find X9 Pro is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful smartphone with advanced features. Its performance, camera quality, and display technology make it a compelling option. I'd give it a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. The Oppo Find X9 Pro is ideal for heavy users, photographers, and gamers who need a device that can keep up with their demands. However, those on a budget might find it a bit pricey. If you're interested in learning more about the Oppo Find X9 Pro or other smartphones, be sure to check out my next video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Oppo Find X9 Pro in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going.